Hey guys, welcome back to another video today. I hope you guys are all having a great day. Now today, I bring you the 4th ever episode of What's in the Box. And today, you might notice it's a little different. We only have one box in front of me. It's not like 2 or 3 boxes or 20 like most good tech YouTubers. But yeah, anyway, this is a big product. Like, not big, but it is an expensive product that will make my videos, I think, better quality than they already are. So, let's go ahead and open it. As you can see, I already cut it and then I realized the labels were still on, so I took them off. Anyway, we have one more side to open. Okay, and here we have it. We have the HyperX Quadcast microphone. Basically, this is a USB condenser mic. It is black and red like my setup that I'm trying to accomplish the black and red, although right now I got some new fans from Game Diaz actually. If you want to watch that video, it'll be right up here. Other side, it'll be right up here if you want to watch that video. So yeah, those are the Game Diaz Wayless M2 124R fans, and they actually are like competing with the Corsair LL 120 and 140 fans because they are actually really good fans. Let's get this, open it right up. Okay, so you may have noticed for the past 2.5 years since I started YouTube, my audio quality has really never been the best in the game on YouTube. And obviously it will never be the best in the game on YouTube, but it hasn't been good at all. So I did my research and I actually kind of found the HyperX Quadcast. And there are a couple things that I really like about it that I will go over in this video. But let's get it open first, and then you'll be able, and I will be able to see them. There we go. That was a good cut. Alright, ready? Take that out. And now, if I could figure out how to open this, I would, but I don't know how, so see you guys in the next video. There we go. Don't think I need that. Anyway, let's take this off and let's see the mic for the first time. Ooh, a little bigger than I thought. Let's see. I heard it is not very heavy for the size, and it is not very heavy for the size. So here it is. This is the HyperX Quadcast microphone. It is black and red. Comes with a shock mount on it. It comes with a pop filter in it. I will actually be replacing this microphone with the HyperX Quadcast. But I will actually probably not use this stand. I'll probably put it on this boom arm and then like record audio like this or something. So let's plug this in. So it's been about 2 months since I actually unboxed this mic. I used it for one video and I have to say it did pretty well. It was my last video. It was the fan video. That video is doing pretty well too, so I think it's the mic. No, it's not. But first of all, thank you for 1,000 subscribers. I never really thought I would get there. Like a year ago, I was kind of thinking maybe I'll just quit because I had like under 200 and now I have 1,000. So obviously 2019 was a great year. But anyway, we're back after a long time with no uploads, and if you look around the room, maybe you'll figure out why. There will be a video on the setup next. Okay, so this is basically just an overview of the HyperX Quadcast. So today, I'm just going to go over things like the gain adjustment, the 4 pickup patterns. Anyway, let's get into the video. I'll start off with gain adjustment. Right now, I have it on kind of the first level, I guess, of gain adjustment. There's these 5 little circles. This one is the smallest, but as you can see, it can go quieter all the way to the right. So I guess this is like level 0 maybe. Anyway, I'm just going to move it up to the number 1. My hair is way too long right now. I need to get a haircut soon. So we've just moved it up to level 1, which is again what I think sounds probably the best. Unless you want it a little louder, you could go to level 2. I'm not really sure. I haven't listened to it enough to know like how much this actually puts it up, but I would say probably don't put it past this because most likely you're not going to need it to be so loud. And as you can see, when we get to level 3, this is when I'm assuming actually it starts to get too loud. And again, level 4, not again, but level 4 definitely too loud, and level 5 is also most likely going to be too loud. And then if we go all the way up, all the way to the left, I'm going to have to start talking a little quieter because it is super loud. So I'll just set it back to 1 right there. And yeah, that looks good. All right, next. This mic is called the HyperX Quadcast. Now, why is it the Quadcast? Because right back here, there's a knob for 4 different pickup patterns that you can broadcast your sound in. So right now I'm talking on the cardioid pickup pattern, which I'll explain later, but pretty much if it's only you talking to the mic, you're going to want to use this one. Okay, so the first pickup pattern I'm going to go over is stereo. This is basically on the right side and on the left side, so I'm probably going to sound a little different, but as you can see, if I talk over here, you're going to hear it in your headphones. Hopefully, I forgot to say that. Wear headphones for this part. So if I talk over here, you're going to hear my voice over here, and then if I move over to the left side, you should hear my voice in your left ear. It's pretty cool. I've done it. I listened to Random Frank P do this. That's where I got the idea, actually. Okay, so we're going to switch it to the next pickup pattern, which is omnidirectional. Basically, this is picking up literally everything around the entire circumference of the mic, 360 degrees all around. So if I kind of bang on my screen back here, I bang over here, over there. It's going to pick up everything. It's going to pick up things like the reverb and the echo from my monitors, because I'm right in front. Sound is probably bouncing off. It's going to pick up every little sound around my room in every direction. So this is really only good for when you are around a table and there is a group of people around that table. It's going to pick up all their voices, like if you were doing a podcast or just a group interview video or something. I don't know, but that's when that pickup pattern is going to be the best. Now the next one, and again the one I think sounds the best and the one you should use when it's just you, is cardioid. This is kind of like a heart around. It's going to pick up mostly just what's in front, which is where you're going to want to be talking from. And this is going to be great because it won't really pick up anything behind, and it shouldn't need to. So like the echo and the reverb off my monitors, it's really not going to pick that up. So it's going to make it sound the best without any de-echoing software audio editing or something. Okay, so the last pickup pattern we're going to go over, and the last one on this mic, is bi-directional. Bi means 2, and this will pick up in 2 directions, the front and the back. This is great for when you're doing like an interview podcast or just talking with one other person for a video. It's going to pick up what's in the front and what's on the back. So if there's really nothing on the sides that need to be picked up, it's not going to pick that up. The problem is when I'm talking to my monitors, it's really picking up the echo like the omnidirectional. So I might want to change this back to cardioid soon. So I think I'll do that. That is bi-directional. All right, now we're back on cardioid. And another cool feature with this mic, I don't want to make this a review, but it's just a cool feature. So as you can see right now, the LEDs are on. And if I just barely applied like no pressure at all on the top, the LEDs will turn off, signifying the mic is muted. I kind of like this, although there's no RGB version, it's just the red. Fortunately, I kind of do have a black and red setup, although I'm trying to add some white in there because I did get some white Alex Drawer units. Again, the video will be on the setup next video. So yeah, I'm really not trying to make this a full review. If you guys want to see that though, just be sure to comment that down below. If I get enough comments, I'll probably do a HyperX Quadcast review. Maybe I'll do like a HyperX Quadcast 1 year later type of thing. So anyway, we're done with the overview, and now we can cue the outro. Alright guys, welcome back, and it is another couple days later. This video is officially the video that's taken me the longest to make, because I stopped working on it for a while, but still, it's been about 2 months since I unboxed this mic. Alright, so make sure you comment your thoughts about the mic down below in the comments section. I want to see what you guys think of it. I think it's pretty good for $140, especially to some of its competitors, but I just want to know your guys' opinion, and if you like me using it. For example, I'm using it right now. It's like right there. So yeah, what do you think? Again, this setup behind me isn't finished, but actually more news. Game Diaz sent me a desk. So when that comes in, I'm just going to have to move my setup over here and then film a video with that for a while. The desk is a little small, but it does have RGB, which is pretty cool. I'm just going on and on. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you subscribe, drop a like. And if you subscribe, make sure you turn the post notifications on down below. So yeah, anyway, guys, without further ado, I'll catch you guys in the next one.